While hydration is important for maintaining a healthy skin, too much of a good thing can actually be harmful. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that is often misunderstood, and that is the dangers of over-hydrating your skin. So, if you'd like to learn more about this topic and get some tips and tricks on how you can actually maintain a balanced hydration on your skin, then you definitely want to keep on watching. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that is often misunderstood, and that is the dangers of overhydrating the skin. Hey, Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Select Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, a skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I teach you about your skin and how you can achieve a glowing, healthy, beautiful skin at home, and basically just giving you knowledge about your skincare products and how they react to your skin. Okay, so if these are things that you're interested in and you like to learn more, or you are curious, you like to understand better, please join the family and I will be happy to carry you on this journey to a healthy and a beautiful skin. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something that has been overlooked, and a lot of people suffer from this condition or suffer from this have these problems, but they don't really understand. Hell, you need your skin to be hydrated, right, for you to have a healthy skin. But do you know that over-hydration can actually be detrimental, or not detrimental, but can actually cause more harm than good? In this video, I'm going to explain that and give you all the tea and all the information that you need. Before we dive into the topic for the day, let's first of all understand why hydration is important for your skin. A skin that has a good balance of hydration often has a plump and glowing appearance. And a good balance of hydration also helps to maintain your skin's elasticity. However, excessive hydration can disrupt the skin's natural processes and pose several risks for your skin. Now, how does this excessive hydration of the skin affect the skin negatively? One of the major dangers of overhydrating the skin is the potential to impair the skin's barrier. Now, our skin has a natural barrier, that's a protective film over the skin, which is called the stratum corneum. I have a lot of videos on that, and I'm going to leave a link, or I'm going to leave the link here, or I'm going to leave the link in the description bar to those videos, so you can go there and understand the skin's anatomy and all of that. Now, the stratum corneum helps to retain moisture and keep out harmful substances. Now, when you overhydrate your skin, this barrier or this film that is covering the top layer of your skin can become compromised. Excessive water can strip away the natural oil, and it can disrupt the delicate balance of the skin's pH level. Now, when the skin's pH balance or pH level is impaired or disrupted, this can weaken the skin barrier, making it more susceptible to environmental aggressors, irritations, and even infections. Now, overhydration can also cause increased sensitivity to the skin. When the skin is constantly moist, it becomes more prone to irritations and allergic reactions. Imagine leaving a wet, damp cloth packed together and keeping it aside for a long period of time. When you get back and you carry that cloth and you open it up, you will see molds, you will see insects, you will see a lot of different things. That's what happens to your skin when you overhydrate your skin. Your skin becomes prone to irritation, infections, and every other thing that you can think of. It's easy for your skin to get allergic reactions as well, because the skin is overly hydrated, and there's, bacteria likes places that are moist. Okay, so when your skin is overly hydrated, you open it up for bacteria, bad bacteria that is, to breed properly. Remember, your skin has a balance of this foul. It's 2 p.m. I don't know why you are making that noise. Remember that your skin has a balance of good bacteria and bad bacteria. I have a lot of videos on that. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar, or I'm going to leave the link here for you guys to watch. But I have a couple of videos. You can binge watch them to understand better. Now, for your skin to have an equal balance of moisture, or for your skin to have a well-balanced moisture level, you need to have a good balance of the good and the bad bacteria, which make up your microbiome on your skin. Do you understand? So for your skin to be healthy and thrive well, you need to have this good balance of bacteria. If the bad bacteria overrides the good bacteria and takes over because of excessive moisture, of course, your skin will become, prone to a lot of different skin issues. And this is especially true for people with sensitive skin and people who are prone to acne. Sometimes you have acne on your face and all of that. It indicates that there is something wrong. Okay, it could be that your pH of your skin is thrown off. It could be that the balance of bacteria on your skin is not leveled. It could be a lot of all of these things put together that is causing that situation. Now, while it is important to cleanse and hydrate the skin, excessive water exposure can disrupt the skin's natural protective mechanism and cause redness, itching, and inflammations. Another danger of overhydrating your skin is the disruption of the natural oil production on your skin. Now, the skin produces sebum, which helps to lubricate and protect the skin. When we overhydrate our skin, we can strip away these natural oils, leading to imbalance and potential skin issues. Imbalanced oil production can result to oily skin. I know you'll be wondering, why will my skin be oily when I have an imbalanced oil production? An imbalanced oil production can lead to oily skin, clogged pores, and even acne breakouts. It is important to allow the skin to regulate its own oil production by avoiding excessive hydration. Overhydrating the skin can also impact its tone and elasticity. While hydrated skin appears plump and youthful, excessive hydration can actually weaken the skin's structure over time. When the skin is constantly swollen with water, because that's what it is, moisture in your skin. So when the skin is excessively swollen with moisture, it can stretch and over time lose its natural firmness. This can lead to sagging, premature aging, and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, to maintain a healthy balance, it's important to hydrate the skin appropriately. Listen to your skin's need and choose hydrating products that are suitable for your skin type. Don't just follow what Mr. A is doing because the product that Mr. A is using is good for them. Use products that are catered to your skin type. Avoid excessive water exposure and opt for a balanced skincare routine. And a balanced skincare routine includes cleansing your skin appropriately, using cleansing agents that are mild, that doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils, that helps to regulate the production of sebum on your skin. And then after that, make sure you tone your skin to bring your skin back to its natural pH. And then after that, you use a good hydrating ingredient. Now, a lot of people confuse hydrating products and moisturizing products. Now, I'm going to do that video again. I'm going to do that video next. I'm going to, talk about the difference between the two of them. I know a lot of people don't understand that these two terms are used in skincare, but they are actually not the same. They are different. So using a good cleansing agent that doesn't strip your skin, make sure you are using a toner that brings back your skin to its natural pH. Use a hydrating serum or lotion that will help to balance out the moisture level on your skin, and then you use a moisturizer to seal in that moisture. Okay, I'm going to talk about this in another video so you understand the difference between hydrating products and moisturizers. Now, remember that proper hydration is essential, but overdoing it can harm your skin. You don't need to use tons of different hydrating products just to get moisture into your skin. If you use a good cleansing agent that doesn't strip your skin, that has a good balance of cleansing agents and balancing agents in them, you will not have to use multiple hydrating products to get moisture balance on your skin. You also will not need to be worried about the moisture balance on your skin if you're using products that are made properly, that have good regulations, that have good ingredient compositions. Now, a lot of people do not understand that the kind of ingredients you use in your product will influence your skin's health, either positively or negatively. So be careful the kind of products that you put on your skin. Make sure you understand the ingredients. Drink enough water to hydrate from within, and find a skincare routine that will help to balance out your moisture level from the outside. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this video was informative. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family so that we know that you like what we're doing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to take any of our trainings, please send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar. Now, every year, the beginning of the year, the middle of the year, and at the end of the year, I like to do discount trainings for you guys. A lot of you have been asking for the hydroquinone training. So if you would like me to bring back the hydroquinone training at a discounted price for the promo or discount for mid-year, let me know in the comment section, and we can put that together. The discount price is going to be 35,000 naira instead of 100,000 naira. So let me know in the comment section if you would like the hydroquinone class to come back with a banger. We're going to be adding more things to it. So even if you have taken the class before, you can take this as an upgrade, and you might get a discount because you've taken the class before. So let me know in the comment section, and I will put together that training again. Thank you guys so much for always staying with me, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. Bye.